Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today I am showing you how to make the tastiest, quickest, easiest Fiesta dip. So let's get cooking. The ingredients for this are super simple. You're gonna need a can of Rotel. I chose mild. You could get no heat if you want. Green chilies. I needed a Fiesta ranch, but they didn't have that, so we're gonna make our own with taco seasoning and ranch packet. A Mexican 4-cheese blend, sour cream, ground beef, and then whatever chips you'd like to use as a source to dip in, we're gonna use Frito scoops. If you're looking for any really fun kitchen gadgets, you will find things like this meat chopper on my Amazon storefront down below under my link tree. It has all the links for my Amazon, my clothes that I wear, my makeup, my skincare, everything. So go check it out and let me know what you think. I'm working so hard right now. Seriously, the easiest recipe like you'll ever see. No chopping, no anything. Like between the can opener and browning the meat, like that's the hardest parts. Oh, and I did have to figure out how to make my own Fiesta blend. So while we wait on our beef to brown, I'm gonna go ahead and mix the sour cream. I'm using 16 ounces. Again, I'm gonna put the recipe, like the ingredients down in below. Who are you? I know, I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. And let's not lie. It's not me. It's Asa. Asa's going to do that. This is going to be to taste because we're making our own. So I'm going to do a little ranch, a little taco seasoning, and then I'm going to have to taste test it after we're done with everything so that I can see if I need to add more. So that's going to be up to you. I definitely would not use a whole package for this. Definitely not that. Okay, so we put a little ranch. Now we'll do a little taco seasoning. This one's always harder to open. Do I have to pull out a knife? I thought this was an easy recipe. So we'll put a little taco seasoning, and then you're gonna do the whole can of diced chilies. They're not that hot, guys. So you can just start mixing. You have to turn the bowl, get everything mixed together nicely. Then we're gonna add that Rotel. Again, I got the mild. Our Mexican blend. And I'm gonna add some now and then some after I add the ground beef. And I'll probably add more seasoning as well after I add the ground beef. This is it. I mean, you get your arm workout for the day. You can throw it in the fridge for maybe an hour, let it kind of sit up, and pull it out when your party starts going. I'm gonna make this for the 4th of July next week. Also, just a pro tip, when I'm mixing things with my sour cream, I don't mind using the store brand, but I am a little fancier when I'm using it as like, I don't know, if I was having like a baked potato, I personally prefer Breakstone. So I don't know. Let me know. Are you guys like, there's certain things I'm picky on my brands with, and that's one of them. Alrighty. So now we're just going to strain this, but don't worry. I have tinfoil underneath. I'm not putting it into the sink. So we'll just strain that, but I am gonna like move it around with my spatula to make sure I get as much grease off as possible. Look at all of that. It's gonna go right into your bowl. You feeling it? You feeling it with me? Because I think this is gonna be really good. I think it is. I need my taste tester. That's fun. Mm-hmm. Makes me want a margarita.
It's pretty good.
Right?
Yeah. I don't think you need anything else. Perfect.
It's perfect. Woo! Look at that.
I think Fritos are a must.
Yep.
It just adds to it.
I think the Tostitos.
Reminds me of a Frito pie.
I think Tostitos wouldn't have enough flavor.
Yeah.
The Fritos add to the flavor.
Yep.
Okay. There you go. Quick, easy, no dicing, nothing. We browned meat and we open cans. So let me know, are you guys going to try this out for your next party? Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and have a great day. Bye, guys.